Hello, my dear friends, and welcome to another insightful episode of the Kapeel Gupta Career Pod Show. And you're aware of my audio podcast, the Kapeel Gupta Career Pod Show. And from today, I shall be bringing the video version regularly for you. So stay connected and subscribe to the channel. And today, we are diving into one of the most dynamic and lucrative career paths in the financial world, becoming a stock market expert. And whether you're fascinated by the thrill of trading, intrigued by the analysis behind market trends, or simply looking to make a profitable career out of your financial acumen, now this episode is for you. So, for all my new subscribers and viewers, let me introduce myself. Hello, all. I'm Kapeel Gupta, founder of Study Abroad Academy. I'm on a mission to coach and mentor 100,000 high school students and help them realize the dream of studying in the best universities of the world and build happy and successful careers for themselves. And the stock market is often seen as a high stakes environment where fortunes can be made or lost in the blink of an eye. But behind the scenes, it's a world driven by knowledge, strategy, and a deep understanding of financial markets. So, how does one become a stock market expert? What does the job entail, and what opportunities await in India and abroad? So, stay tuned as we explore the answers to these questions and more. So, without further ado, let's get started. The scope of a career as a stock market expert is vast both in India and internationally. In India, the stock market has seen exponential growth over the past few decades. With the increasing participation of retail investors, the expansion of stock exchanges, and the growing awareness of investment opportunities, the demand for skilled professionals in this field has never been higher. So, India's financial markets are evolving rapidly with new instruments like derivatives, mutual funds, and ETFs gaining popularity. Now, this creates a plethora of opportunities for stock market experts, whether they wish to work in brokerage firms, asset management companies, investment banks, or as independent traders and consultants. And on the global front, financial hubs like New York, London, Tokyo, and Hong Kong offer even broader opportunities. Stock market experts are in high demand across the globe, and especially in developed markets where financial services are a cornerstone of the economy. Now, the ability to work in different financial markets, understand global economic trends, and make informed investment decisions open doors to international careers that are both lucrative and intellectually rewarding. Now, the nature of work for a stock market expert can vary depending on the specific role. Generally, it involves analyzing financial markets, studying economic indicators, evaluating the performance of companies, and making recommendations or decisions about buying and selling stocks. Now, for those in trading, the job is fast paced and requires quick decision making. Traders must monitor market movements, execute trades, and manage portfolios in real time. They often work long hours, particularly during market hours, and must stay updated on global news and events that could impact the markets. For analysts and advisors, the work is more research oriented. They spend time analyzing financial statements, assessing market conditions, and preparing detailed reports to guide investment decisions. They also meet with clients to discuss investment strategies and provide recommendations based on their analysis. In addition to these roles, stock market experts might also work in regulatory bodies, ensuring compliance with market rules and regulations, or in education, teaching the next generation of investors and traders. So, to become a stock market expert, a strong foundation in finance, economics, and mathematics is essential. A bachelor's degree in finance, economics, business administration, or a related field is often the minimum requirement. However, many professionals in this field also pursue advanced degrees such as MBA or a master's in finance to gain deeper knowledge and enhance their career prospects. So, in addition to formal education, certifications can also be valuable. In India, certifications like the Chartered Financial Analyst (CFA) and the National Institute of Securities Markets (NISM) certifications are highly regarded. Globally, the CFA designation is one of the most respected credentials in the finance industry. Skill wise, a successful stock market expert needs a combination of analytical skills, attention to detail, and the ability to stay calm under pressure. Strong communication skills are also important, as professionals in this field often need to explain complex financial concepts to clients or stakeholders. Technical skills such as proficiency in financial software, data analysis tools, and trading platforms are increasingly important. Moreover, a deep understanding of market psychology and the ability to anticipate market trends can set you apart in this competitive field. So, to conclude, becoming a stock market expert is not just about mastering numbers or understanding economic principles. It's about developing a keen insight into how markets work and using that knowledge to make informed decisions. It's a career that requires continuous learning, adaptability, and a passion for the financial markets. Now, whether you're aiming to become a trader, an analyst, or an advisor, the opportunities in this field are abundant and the rewards can be substantial. As financial markets continue to grow and evolve, the demand for skilled stock market experts will only increase both in India and abroad. So, if you have questions, suggestions, or just want to say hello, feel free to reach out. I'm here to help and engage in meaningful conversations with you. And there's a link in the description of the podcast that can help you connect with me. And if you found value in the podcast, help us reach more viewers by sharing it with friends, family, and colleagues who might benefit from our discussions. And if you're fascinated by the world of finance and ready to embark on a challenging yet rewarding career, now is the time to take the plunge. Start by building a strong foundation in finance and economics. Consider pursuing relevant certifications and stay curious about the ever changing dynamics of the stock market. Your journey to becoming a stock market expert could be the key to unlocking a successful and fulfilling career. And that's a wrap for today's episode in the Kapeel Gupta Career Pod Show. So until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep growing. Thank you.